Hey everybody, welcome back. It's Tash here. I am here today with my Macys Beauty box for the month of February and March because I haven't gotten them done. So we're going to jump into both of those in just a minute. For those of you that are returning, welcome back. I am so very thankful and grateful for you guys. I cannot believe when I just checked, I am like at 98 subscribers, so thank you guys so much for supporting me. It really makes a big difference to me and to the channel, and I am planning on doing a big giveaway again when I get to 100. So we are very, very close. Thank you guys all so much for the likes, the comments, all of the support. I really appreciate it. For those of you that are new here, typically on my channel I do all things makeup. I do unboxings, but I also do reviews, try-ons, hauls, all kinds of makeup related things because I do love makeup. And we are going to go ahead and jump right into the box. I hope that if you're not subscribed, you think about subscribing. It would just make such a big difference for me. Let's jump into Macys Beauty Box. So Macys Beauty Box always comes in this beautiful pink wrapping tissue paper. And it is $15 a month. Typically they are sample size products, but occasionally you do get a full size product. And so I'm going to jump into February 1st. When I got February's box, it was super, super heavy. And so there actually is quite a few products. Wow, I'm struggling with the words today. I haven't even had a drink or anything. There are quite a few products for the month of February, and it is very much loved themed. They do give you a makeup bag that is a very good size that has love on it. I am going to put this in the giveaway because I have tons of makeup bags, but it is fairly kind of just a pleather makeup bag. But one of the big reasons it was so heavy is there is a full size lemon and berries micellar cleaning water from Urban Hydration. And so this is, I love micellar waters. The retail value is $36. So for $15, you're already getting such a great deal. Basically, it is supposed to smell like berries, and it has a seal. See that? I'm not even going to open it. I will put this in the giveaway as well. I do love micellar water for kind of a first cleanse if you do that, or kind of just to cleanse off in the morning if you put things on in the night for skin treatment, those kind of things. But I have tons of cleaning products for that already, so I will put this in the giveaway. It is supposed to smell like lemon and berries, so very refreshing. It is naturally brightening, toxic-free, cruelty-free, and vegan certified. So I do love all of those claims right there. So that is the first product, which is pretty awesome for February. The next product that I have in here that I see is a very small, very expensive looking container from Lavina. It is Blue Butterfly Stem Cell Deep Hydration Mask. And so stem cells are supposed to help kind of regenerate everything, make everything better, fresher, those kind of things, because they are, a typical stem cell is a cell that can change into any cell that you need depending on your application. But it says that this is the most impactful assembly of skincare powerhouses. Seawater, butterfly bush have rich mineral blends, amino acids, and antioxidants. Yes, all of that in one bottle to help cell regeneration. The result, detoxified and rejuvenated skin. A full-size value, or a full size of this is $82. This obviously isn't. You apply a thin layer, you leave it on your face for 15 to 20 minutes. Let's take a look inside because oh my goodness, that is some blue face maskness right there. It smells very flowery, not like perfumey, like grass and stems flowery, if that makes sense. Very, very earthy grass, stems, roots kind ofness. But that is some beautiful blue color. I am excited to try that because I am always looking for things to detoxify and make my face look younger. So absolutely very nice product. The next thing that I see in here is a small bottle of Butter. This is Rose Water Toner Butter Butta Skin is the brand. It is an AHA BHA rose toner. So it has rose water, aloe vera, which helps refresh everything, vitamin E, which nourishes and protects. It is also supposed to help pH balance, but also then the AHA and BHA are chemical exfoliants that will help with cell turnover and to make your skin look newer, fresher, get that old skin off. So definitely like this. It says it gently cleans, refines, and balances. There you go. Love it. A full-size value, and this is not, I mean a full-size bottle, this is not full size, is $19. So not super expensive, but I do like the idea of it. I do like the use of AHA and BHAs in my skincare. Just recognize if you use AHA and BHAs, please don't combine them with a retinol because your skin will become more sensitive even than if you use one alone because of everything that's working together. So definitely cool. Let's open this up and see if it smells. It has a very perfumey smell, not like roses, and it does have a very cool cap here, so it is going to squirt out and make it kind of foamy. That is a toner, so it's going to be very, very runny, but then it does have this little cap that fits over it that will keep it together, and if you're traveling, keep it from pumping out. So even just saving this bottle after you use it, very, very nice. It is glass as well, and it is colored to protect the product inside. Okay, next product. I'm moving through fast because we have 2 months to do. This is a Rich Shea Body Cream. It is by Shea Yeleen, Y-E-L-E-E-N, and Coconut Melon Shea Body Butter Cream. $20 is full size value. I am not a very big scented person. I do get migraines a lot, and scents for me are a nemesis. Anything that is super, super scented, I don't do well with. Both skincare, body butter, perfumes, as well as any kind of hair care or makeup products. Let's see, it does have a seal. I'm not going to open it. I'm going to put this in the giveaway as well because I don't even want to chance it. But it says it's supposed to smell like coconut and melon. There you go. Coconut's not bad. Melon is a weird inclusion in that. Rose water BHA toner, how to use. Don't put it in your eyes. Hopefully we all know that. And then the very last product here is by Rucker Roots. This is the GTC Curly Hair Cream. It is supposed to have biotin in it, shea butter, coconut oil, and other hydrating vitamins to keep curls looking fresh and defined. Full size is $13.99. This is not a full size product. I hope that there's a seal. There is not, unfortunately, a seal. It smells like aloe vera for sure. I don't have curly hair, so I am not going to use this. I'm going to put this in my giveaway as well. But I do like the idea of it having all of those natural products for hydration. Aloe vera is good for your skin as well as for your hair. The biotin will help the strength as well as the growth, so definitely will go in the giveaway. And so that is the February box. I do have the $5 off coupon that expires $4.30 off $20, so of course there is that. The next month is March. So here is my March Macys, wow, I couldn't even get that out. March Macys Beauty box. So let's jump into that. So the first thing I see is a Girl Power little notebook. It is nice and smooth on the outside and just lined inside. Very, very thin, but super cute. Love the colors. I think that Girl Power must be the theme for this month. And we are going to jump right into the products themselves. Sorry, you're going to hear that beautiful hot pink wrapping paper for just a minute, or tissue paper for just a minute. And so the very first thing that I have in here is a Natasha Moore, M-O-O-R, Warrior Makeup Sponge. It is vegan, it is cruelty-free, it is latex-free. Let's take a look at the actual correct one. We're in March. Girl Power is the theme. And the cost of this is $16. So again, right off the bat, you have absolutely a full-size product that has made the money for you. This is supposed to help blend everything very, very well. Let's open it up and see what it looks like. Oh, and that's interesting. So there are two flat sides that come into a point and then the point on the other end. This is, I'm not going to wet it, but I definitely will try it and let you guys know. This feels, it doesn't smell, and it feels very much like a beauty blender. You know, some of the makeup sponges feel a little more soft and like plasticky, if that makes sense, but beauty blenders typically are a little more, they're not as dense as some of them, and they just have a different texture, kind of an airy texture. Not really a sponge per se, but kind of, and I am a beauty blender diehard fan. So we'll see if this is similar to that. I am looking forward to trying that because it does look similar, and I do like the color. Hopefully the color doesn't come off. The next product that I have in here is actually a Anastasia, the ABH Brow Wiz. So ABH Brow Wiz, of course, is a cult classic. Lots of people love it. Retail value for a full-size one is $23. This is not a full-size one. This is a travel size. However, unfortunately, it is in medium brown, and that is not my color at all. My natural color, sure, but not my color right now. So this is going to go in the giveaway. I'm not even going to open it. It has the spoolie on one end and a micro pencil on the other. It has fine brow-like hair strokes. I think it's a good product. I've used it before. I do like it. That will go in the giveaway. The next product that I see in here is from Nude Sticks, and this is the Nudies Bronze. Full size is $34. This is not. This is a sample size. Let's look. Here is the color. It is a cream formula, which I do like. It is very, very warm for me. So you can see it's pretty orange toned. It does blend beautifully though. Look at that. That is nice and smooth and beautiful. It doesn't really smell like anything. I do think it's pretty. It seems like with this there is a little bit of a kind of a sun-kissed glow there. So it's not a matte thing. I will absolutely try this. Awesome little sample size, and Nude Sticks is definitely a mainstream brand. The next thing that I see in here is a little sea salt surf bottle. And this is actually a perfume. So this is from Broken Top Candle Company. This is a coastal scent that has MTC oil, so it's a coconut derived oil, organic jojoba oil, and essential oils that create a dynamic fragrance with notes of sea salt, jasmine, and wood. Full size value is $26. Oh, that's interesting. It's just like a little small, like an essential oil dropper. Oh, and I do like that a lot. It definitely has that woodsy scent. It has the jasmine. Again, I'm sensitive to smells, but that is a beautiful smell. It smells not really earthy, but woodsy, and it has that flowery smell, but there is an undernote of like sea, and I know that sounds funny, but that is definitely what it reminds me of, which I love the smell of. I will absolutely use this. I'm excited by that. And then the very last product is actually from Galactic. I don't have a lot of products from Galactic, but I do love their packaging. This is the Rose Oil Petal Gloss. So this is supposed to be not sticky, but hydrating. It has argan oil, raspberry seed oil, vitamin E, jojoba oil, and it is $20 for a full size. This is a full size value. I love the outside of Galactic. It has those roses and all kinds of sparkles, but it has pink and it's kind of two-tone there. And the package of this is, it's like a little test tube, very cute. It looks like there are actual rose petals in this gloss. And it kind of smells like dried old rose petals, but let's see, I will put it right here. Not really very much color, although it looks very pinky in the tube. It definitely smells like rose, so if you are not a rose fan, this is probably not for you, but it is right there. I do like the idea of all those nice, good products in there to help with the moisture. My lips are eternally dry, so I absolutely will use this. It says you can layer it on top of your lipsticks, so very cool. I know I ran through that super quick. That was the February and the March Macys Beauty boxes. I actually love Macys Beauty Box. They have not raised their prices. They do give you sample sizes, and there is no personalization. Occasionally you will get a full-size product, and I've been getting more of them recently, which I love for $15. I think that is a great value. However, they do have a mix of skincare as well as makeup, and you can't choose the colors. So that personalization component definitely is not always perfect, as you saw with the ABH color is not mine. But absolutely, it is a great thing because you can share with family or friends, and you get to try all different kinds of makeup products that you may not have tried in the past. So love Macys Beauty Box. Thank you guys so much for joining me today. I loved having you here for this quick down and dirty unboxing. Please let me know what you thought about the boxes. Do you get Macys Beauty Box? Do you like it and think it's worth it? I loved having you here with me. Please stay safe, stay happy, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.